Hello guys, this is DC Trader for another market update, and it's December 18, 2020, and we have approximately 7 days before Christmas. And our US markets is giving us some Christmas gift, another yay. Take a look at that, guys. We have another all-time high, and that is 3,723, and it just happened a few moments ago. That is really great. Now, of course, guys, we all know that the US market is doing good, so let's take a look at our markets, guys. All right, now our markets is a little okay. Maybe not that great, but it's not that bad. And as you can see here, this really looks like a really range markets here, as we can see here. It's really here, and of course you know already this particular level, the 7,265, which is actually this level here around, no, actually this level around here. So let's make that one bigger. So the only good side here is that we are hanging in there. So this is that level here that I'm talking about. We're above this one and we're trying to push up. That is good. And but today, this morning, right? Why did I put the arrow here and did not really change? So in the market open, it started to go down, but again it could not retest the low and it ended up high. So I would say if you would adjust this square here, I would just adjust this square around here, one or the other, and it seems to me it is still this level going up because it also ended up higher. So I hope on Monday we can stay above 7,264 and above, and even go up higher with a higher high. That is for this particular market, and let's feel that we can go a little bit higher. The next particular stock is AC Energy. And what's AC Energy doing, guys? It is doing great.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Of course, yesterday I was telling to you guys, okay, AC Energy is having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight bear micro. And today we were saying that one or the other, and today AC Energy gave us a surprise. It tried to go up, pushes down, tried to retest above, and break out at 644. That is great, guys. Take a look at that. That is lovely. So now we definitely can see, we can definitely mark this as a bull micro. Now, of course, let's discuss, okay, when, so right now we have a new bull micro, and we already broke this area here. So on Monday we will have to adjust this particular Fibonacci. And where would our one or the other be? By looking at this, I would look this like this. One or the other, guys. Anything in between is just waiting. But for me, I find that this is one or the other. So let's hope AC Energy can go above 662 and even higher. And if you take a look at that, guys, one or the other, its really main target, guys, is around 7 pesos. The next particular stock is Ali. And Ali is hanging in there. It won't be the greatest, but it's really hanging in there. Remember, we put this particular level, and I was already drawing this one as a, yesterday this was like this. But since today, guys, it just went up there, went back down, could not retest, and it is trying to go up. So this, because it went down, right, could not retest this area. So this is wrong. Now let's adjust this. So right now, if it hits below here, so we're gonna adjust this. If it hits below 40.79 and even lower, that means that it is a fair micro. But if it goes above 42, which we are trying to tell them yesterday, then this is a continuation of this bull micro. So let's hope on Monday we will stay above 42 or even 42.09 and even go up higher. That is for Ali. And of course, the next particular stock we're going to be discussing is BDO. And BDO today, guys, let's take a look. BDO is a little but there is a but there. So we know that BDO right now is trying to have a little bit of a range. Like this one, tried to go up, tried to go down, and today, basically it opened, tested it down, but now it could not retest the high. What happens? It's gonna retest below. And it, even at the end of the day, close at 112. That is really a so on Monday, this is our one or the other, 114 or 112. Anything between, iffy. There only is a change if this becomes a bull micro with a higher high. Other than that, I feel this market may wanna take a little bit break, try to go back down. But other than that, let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so it's one or the other, guys, for BDO. And if you take a look at this, well, as long as if we can support at 111, guys, we still have a chance to go back up to 115 or even 116. All right, so the next particular stock is Converge. And what's Converge doing, guys? It is a little, basically it did not actually, it closed down, right? But it could not retest the low, and it's trying to go back up, and it's trying to close in the middle. And today is an inside day, so basically this is still overall on a bull micro, but not retest above 50.90. So not yet iffy. That's what you call iffy. Not sure what's going to happen there, but more to the upside. So I hope on Monday we can stay above 50.90. If we stay above 50.90, then we are on a bull micro. All right, so that is for this particular stock. Okay. Now, of course, we're still in the middle of here. Now, we need to really push up, guys. If we can't push up, guys, then you know these sellers are stronger, and it's gonna wave our head to the downside. Now, for DTO, guys, DTO really is doing great. Of Of course, you remember, guys, yesterday I was doing like this. And I was doing like, okay, if it does not retest above, then you know it is still a bear micro. But if this retests above and stay above, and it's even higher at 785 and going up high, although it did not retest the highs, so I would mark it as a bull micro. So for Monday, adjust that one or the other. That is for that particular stock. So I hope Vito can reach 8 and above, because you are really close, guys. Take a look at this. Ooh, just a little few ticks. Actually, just 13 cents. And you are on your way to an all-time high. Vito traders are doing good. The next particular stock is FGEN. Now for FGEN, basically it is doing a little okay. And remember yesterday we marked this particular level, one or the other, and it picked the other side, which is the upside, which is away from here. And then if we make this one a little smaller, guys, I would say it wanted, if the market is cooperating with us, it wanted to go up. And we really know this is a really tight range. So on Monday, we're just going to adjust this to this, one or the other. I hope there is a continuation and we can stay above 28.25 and create higher highs. We don't want to go back to 28 and below. If we do that, then we are continuing, and then we are overall for this particular market. If now I do understand we are breaking down here, but as long as we don't go back to 27, guys, and we are going back up, we are doing a better. So that's the only way we can do. So FGEN overall, it is still a bull micro. All right, and the next particular stock that we're gonna be discussing is HLCM. And HLCM today, guys, it is a, let's open it up, and a little bit of a yay, but and also a equilibrium, right? Remember this very big move? Buyers bought it up. Sellers try to bring it down, buyers buy it up, sellers bring it down, and we ended up down. And so this is one of the markets that really got in one or the other. So both sides it touches, but overall I think if we make this one here, overall HLCM is, as long as we cannot go back down to this particular level of 717, we are still prone to go upside. So I hope Monday we're just gonna adjust this one or the other, making like that. We hope we can stay above 760. If we can stay above 760, creating higher highs, then we are going back up to 792. But if this is right here and it breaks down to 735, it could even break down to 718, and that's why I don't really like it. So we need to stay above 719 for this market to go back up. And the next particular stock that we're going to be discussing is JFC. And JFC today, guys, broke this particular area of 204, which is not so great, but overall, let's bring this one up. So this particular level, we know buyers were here. Buyers tried to re-answer at 202. And you know buyers really brought it up until here. Then, you know, sellers came in, sellers push it down, and we ended up around here. And yesterday I tried to mark this level and it went down. So let's see what happens. So what I'm gonna do on Monday, let's do it like this. Actually like that. It's one or the other, guys. So I hope around this particular area of one or the other, I hope we can stay above 204.84. If we do stay above 204.84, then we have a chance to go back up. So Jollibee, let's see if you can go up from here. If not, then looks to me we could go down around this particular level of support, which is 201. If 201 can't hold, we're gonna do another one, because I find also there's also a moving average here though. That could also help as a support. But overall for Jollibee right now, it is still a bear micro until proven otherwise, if it can reach 205. Alright, so let's see what happens, guys. I hope JFC can stay above 205. The next particular stock we're going to be discussing is MBT. And take a look at MBT. This is what I see sometimes. This particular moving average create like a support, right? So that's what I was thinking on JFC. I hope that JFC can do some changes. And take a look at this, guys. MBT dropped down, continuation to the bear micro and where we marked yesterday, and it went back into the range and it ended up here. So definitely this is a start of a bull micro. So all we have to do is just to adjust this a bit. Let's see if the market can stay above 48.85, and if it can stay 48.85, it's a continuation of a bull micro. But if it stay below at 43.33 and breaking the lows, it is a start of a bear micro. So let's see what happened, guys. Let's hope JFC, MBT. I'm talking too fast. I hope that this creates a second entry long on Monday. All right, guys. Let's take a look. The next particular stock that we're going to be discussing is MM. Now, MM is really hanging in there, guys. Take a look at this. Although we are still in between these two, we are really holding on there for life here, trying to go back up. And if you take a look at this, guys, this is a bear micro. Now the only thing that I'm kind of worried, we are still in this particular level, one or the other. So the only way this becomes a bull micro if we stay above 590 and create higher highs. But what if we go below 570? If we go below 570 before we reach 590, that means it goes drop here. We did not reach this before. Then this is a continuation of a bear micro. So let's hope that on Monday we can stay above 590 to the upside for MM. And if we do that, guys, we are doing all right. So let's take a look at our favorite stocks that we are very favorite and sad stock, which is PGOLD. And PGOLD today, guys, give us another. Take a look at that, guy. Ever since this particular stock went up, could not retest this area, what happens? It drops down. It tried to go up here, right? But if it's too small, drop down. Tried to go back up, could not retest this area, drop down. Could not retest this area, drop down. So basically the way I'm gonna see it, if I'm very strict, right, guys? There you go. There you go. There you go. That is so, which means that sellers have more power, guys. Imagine this very small short bull micro, and the next day all bear. The next day it tried to go up, could not retest the highs. The next day it dropped down. Today it tried to go up, could not retest the high, dropped down. So there is still more very, very strong sellers in this particular market, guys. And I think Monday we could actually see this stock one or the other. Now, but this doesn't mean that, okay, it's going down all the time. We don't know. What if there's any changes to making this one a bear micro, from a bear to a bull? We'll see what happens, because this could mean some changes here. But as of right now, sellers are more stronger than the buyers. And the next particular stock we're going to be discussing is SECB, and SECB has a continuation to a bear micro. But for SECB, guys, take a look at this. Now really, SECB maybe deserve a pullback. Overall, guys, it is still at its 23% from the top. And so I feel that, yeah, maybe this can still go back down, because maybe buyers may not be interested in this movement yet. Maybe they want some more pullback before they will go back in. But I would say on Monday, we're just gonna adjust the one to the other, maybe around this particular area. It's either 140.57 or 137.01. So I hope that we could stay above 147.57 and create higher highs. This will make it to a bull micro. Other than that, 137.01, we could be breaking down to another 131. That is for this particular stock. And the last stock that is on our market review is one of our favorite, tech. Now this is what I like, guys. Take a look at this. We have a very strong bear micro, and the next day it tried to go to a bull micro, which is really good for tech. So for Monday, one or the other. I hope we could stay above 750, guys. And if we do stay above 750, we have an opportunity to go back up to the high. But other than that, this stock is doing okay. And it might go back to the highs around 780. All right. So thank you very much, guys, for taking your time and listening to my market review. Thank you very much to my new subscribers. Always my very good viewers. Thank you very much for taking your time and listening to me. I know sometimes I talk too fast. I'll try to slow down and take a deep breath. But see you guys next week, and have a great weekend and take a break in this trading life. Thank you very much, and see you guys soon. Take care. God bless.